Hello my wonderful creators, I'm so glad that you're able to join me. We'll be making a Russian style salted cherry tomatoes. They are yummy but also very good for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this recipe you will need some cherry tomatoes. These are medium size, but you can buy it's tiny cherry tomatoes that are thoroughly cleaned. I cleaned them with filtered water and baking soda. And you will need some dill. I washed, cut and air dried some dill. You will also need garlic and Sicilian sea salt, and you can use also either Sicilian sea salt or alternatively Himalayan pink salt. Both of them are excellent. You will also need a mason jar, and I have quite a large jar here. I love this variety with the lid. And you will need filtered water, and I have picture of filtered water here on hand. So now when our tomatoes are thoroughly cleaned with filtered water and baking soda, let's place them in the jar. And let's see how many will fit. This jar is quite large, but look how beautiful they look inside the jar. I just love the color, and the color of this dish is colors are beautiful. All right, so we will not put them too tight in there. So now let's cut some garlic, and here I'm using my favorite garlic cutter, and maybe one more. I love this cutter. It just does the job so beautifully. All right, here we have our garlic, and we'll be needing about 2 tablespoons of garlic for this jar. All right, so let's put all the garlic in. It's 2 tablespoons. Let's add dill, and I love dill, so I will be adding 4 tablespoons of dill for this size of the jar, for this amount of tomatoes. And after they are prepared, you can literally eat them in a few hours, but also keep in the refrigerator for up to a week. They will be awesome, and they will get progressively tasty as time goes by. I like to make enough tomatoes for a week. And finally, let's add 1.5 tablespoons of sea salt. You can place it right on top of the jar. And now let's add 1/2 of the tablespoon. So we have 1.5 in total. And finally, let's add filtered water to cover the tomatoes. And now we will close the jar and shake it so that all ingredients are transferred evenly around all the tomatoes. So these are fantastic for your salads, for your burgers, your steak, as an hors d'oeuvre, as a little amuse-bouche before your dinner. It is aromatic condiment for basically anything you like to have. They're perfect all year round, in winter, in the summer months. They are beautiful and fragrant, so there is no excuse for you not to make them. It takes literally only 10 minutes. And all ingredients in these tomatoes improve your health and help you to feel healthy and happy. Thank you for joining me for this episode. If you find this content useful, please like the video, hit that notification bell to see more videos from Healthy and Happy, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, stay healthy and happy. I'm Asi Efres. Thank you so much for watching.